Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can zoom in Google Maps, so let's get right into it. Now, as you'll see, I'm on the PC version, and the way that you zoom in on the PC version is very easy. You just click or scroll your wheel forward on your mouse, and that is pretty much it. Now, I am not sure if there is any way to zoom in other than that. For example, Control Plus to zoom in on your screen. Not sure if it works or if there are any keyboard shortcuts, but you can try those as well. On the phone, you literally just have to stretch the screen with your fingers. So just place two of your thumbs on the screen and separate them apart, and that's going to zoom in pretty much like you would zoom into any other images on your phone, and that is pretty much it. Now, another thing which you can do is you can zoom in to the exact street or use Google Street View, and that is done like this. So just go into any street you want, click on it, and then you'll be able to enter Street View from here. If you're on PC, you can also drag this sort of stick figure over here, and it'll also show you exactly where Street View is available. But I'm just gonna not drag them anywhere. I'm just gonna click here, and I'm gonna click on Street View, and that's pretty much it. On mobile phone, you tap and hold until your location is selected, and then you can look at it in Street View. But yeah, this is pretty much as zoomed in as you can get. You can zoom in even more, but this is pretty much the maximum zoom amount. And yeah, that is pretty much all there is to it. That's all of your zoom options that you have available. There's really nothing else you need, and that's, as I mentioned, pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.